The G-Story Monitor, a specialized portable all-in-one HD monitor, designed to enhance your gaming sessions and computing tasks. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a professional on the go, this monitor promises exceptional performance and versatility. Featuring a vibrant 1080p resolution and a smooth 60Hz refresh rate, the G-Story monitor delivers crisp and fluid visuals that bring your games and content to life. With an average brightness of 400 candelas M2, every detail pops with stunning clarity, even in brightly lit environments. Designed to cater to various gaming platforms, including PC and Switch console, this monitor serves as the perfect companion for gaming enthusiasts. Its portable design ensures that you can enjoy your favorite games anytime, anywhere, without compromising on visual quality or responsiveness. With a response speed of 8 milliseconds, the G-Story monitor offers swift and accurate image transitions, minimizing motion blur and ghosting for a seamless gaming experience. Whether you're engaging in high-octane action sequences or navigating through intricate landscapes, you can count on this monitor to keep up with the pace. The screen's 16:9 aspect ratio provides an immersive viewing experience, perfectly suited for both gaming and multimedia content consumption. Beyond gaming, the G-Story monitor proves to be a versatile companion for professional tasks and entertainment purposes alike. Whether you're editing documents, streaming videos, or conducting presentations, compact yet powerful, the G-Story monitor redefines portability without sacrificing performance. Its sleek and streamlined design makes it easy to transport and set up wherever you go. Whether you're gaming at home, on the road, or at a friend's house,